severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Douglas County in northeastern Colorado, southwestern Arapahoe County in northeastern Colorado, southwestern Denver County in northeastern Colorado, east central Jefferson County until
Jefferson!
5 p.m.
It's for me!
Mountain Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located near Morrison, or 13 miles southwest of Denver, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Holy crap.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Oh my god.
No damage to vegetation is expected.
Whoa, oh no.
This severe thunderstorm will be near southern Lakewood around 5:30 p.m.
What?
Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Chetfield Reservoir, Northwestern Highlands Ranch, Littleton, Englewood, and Shering.
It's for me!
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh god, I got shelter. This is bad.
A strong thunderstorm will impact Port.
Oh my god, it said East Central Jefferson County. I'm flippin' scared. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna do what the alert said, and I'm gonna go get to shelter. Hey, Kenzie?
Hey, what?
You should come downstairs. There's gonna be some strong storms.
Okay.
Come down to like the basement, or I don't even know if it is a basement. Like somewhere around in like the playroom or...
Because it might stroke on